Hi, my name is Lori Merrill Fink. I am a Carbondale resident, having lived here for 30 years, recently retired. I came to Synergy because of lower back pain, intense lower back pain for over the last 2 months, to the point where I couldn't really function the first at least hour of the morning. Couldn't bend over to feed the dog, couldn't put on my shoes. Even going to the bathroom early in the morning was very, very difficult. I'm a very active person normally, so this pain and lack of range of motion has been very frustrating for me over the last couple of months. So I came today. Today was my first session, and I have to say I'm breathing more deeply right now. And it's unlike anything I've experienced before. I've had physical therapy for something similar to this at 3 other places over the last 20 years, and I can say that the approach here is very, very different, and I mean that in the best possible way. I became aware of some emotional things that I've been holding on to for a while. I can't even name them specifically, but some emotional release, and I believe strongly as a 30-year movement practitioner that, you know, body, emotion, mind, it's all interconnected. So I had some very profound emotional releases today, and look at me now. I'm really looking forward to continuing my treatment, although if I keep going like this, I may not need to see them very many more times.